In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade to Ubuntu 24 from Ubuntu 22. We'll do the upgrade using the command line, and it will work on both Ubuntu Server and Ubuntu Desktop. If you're upgrading a remote server over SSH, the upgrade tool is designed to work with SSH. But there are a few extra steps you can take to prevent losing the session if the connection drops. I'll show you that at the end of the video. Here are the steps to upgrade to Ubuntu 24 from Ubuntu 22. First, run apt upgrade to install the latest updates for your packages. Once the packages are updated, restart your computer. After the restart, run the do release upgrade command to upgrade from Ubuntu 22 to 24. After the upgrade finishes, restart the system one more time. So we'll start by installing the latest package updates. First, reload the package list using the apt update command, then run apt upgrade. Now that the package update is complete, we'll restart the computer. After the restart, we'll run the do release upgrade command. This command upgrades the system to Ubuntu 24.04. During the process, there will be a few prompts you'll need to answer. Once the upgrade process is finished, restart your computer. After the restart, run the lsb release command to check your Ubuntu version and confirm the system has been upgraded. You can perform the upgrade over SSH, but if the connection is lost during the process, it may cause issues. So what you should do is use a screen session over SSH to prevent losing the upgrade session. First, log in to the remote server via SSH, then install the screen package. Next, use the screen command to start a new screen session and perform the upgrade inside that session. To show how it works, I'll run the apt upgrade command inside this screen session, then close the terminal. If this were a regular SSH session, the upgrade process would stop. But since I use screen, the upgrade will continue inside the screen session. To get back into the screen session, log into the server and run the screen-ls command. This will show a list of active screen sessions. Next, use the screen-r command to reconnect to the session. As you can see, the process kept running even after I closed the terminal. This is the safest way to upgrade Ubuntu over SSH. Note that when you run the do release upgrade command, you'll see a warning. The upgrade process also starts an additional SSH daemon on port 1022. If your server has a firewall, make sure to open port 1022 before running do release upgrade. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tips and tutorials.